love rock hunting, finding treasures. I just broke my tripod, so I don't know if it can be repaired, but if it can, that'll be a little treasure. But another thing that is a treasure is this day. We're still in winter. It's early February, and just look at that. Oh my God. So beautiful. My friend invited me down to the spot that I was at last time. She said, hey, the water's gone out some. Why don't you come? And it's such a beautiful day. Why don't you come down and see what there is to see? And so I did find something already. So I'll show you that thing. And then we'll see what else we might find out here, because there definitely is a lot more shore than the last time I was here. So it's not much. I'm not sure what type of rock this is, but I just thought it was kind of fun because it's just like a perfectly circular rock. So, and I haven't done much hounding on the river, and so maybe these are really, really common, but I just thought it was kind of fun just because it's like almost perfectly a sphere. So I'm gonna keep that. It's my first find of the day, first treasure. Well, besides the beautiful weather. Here's a little smattering of what I found so far. I don't think I'm gonna be keeping any of this stuff. Well, one piece I'm gonna keep for sure. This, I don't know what that is, but I really liked the pattern. Sorry, there goes a plane. These are obviously glass, so I'll take those with me. I think these, again, are those little sugar agates that I mentioned last time. And I still haven't done the thing, which is to look up what they actually are. I have to stop the video here. At the time of this filming, I didn't know much about these so-called sugar agates. I still don't know much, but I know more than I did then. They are more accurately quartzite, and while they are quite common, after tumbling some that you're seeing here, I found out they have amazing glitter, also known as aventurescence or aventurization. You know, I love me some sparkles, so I was pleasantly surprised to find this and the increased knowledge that came with it. Special shout out to Melissa, who helped me understand the phenomenon and put a name to it. There is a lot of quartzite in this area, so I've since learned to only take a few here and there that I either really like the color, like this blue one, my favorite so far, or if I think they might have really good sparkle, like this pink example. Also, while I was recording these shorts, my dog decided she was going to help, so here's a pic of that. This is a good time to remind you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So far, every week I'm either posting one long-form video like this, or 5 shorts Friday through Tuesday, like the small clips you see here. This also gets you access to some of my clips well before they make it into a fully edited video. I currently have over 150 shorts on my channel that span all manner of seeking treasures, so hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to keep up with my treasure hunting shenanigans. I now return you to the rest of the video. This is I think it's some rose quartz. I might keep that because I don't know. This is the one that I think I definitely will keep. You can see it's kind of almost carnelian. I don't think it is. I think it's more the, like, I don't think that's technically chalcedony. I think it's more the sugar agates. Seems to be a lot of what we're getting down here. And then these two pieces, I honestly don't know what they are. This kind of reminds me, I don't know if this is just like a metamorphic rock, but I mean, look at how pretty that is. So beautiful. I don't know if I'll keep that one or not. I don't know. And then this one, same thing. This is like a mudstone maybe. I don't really know. But you can kind of see that is so pretty. Some really nice banding. And it's not banding. I don't know what you would call it. Layering, I guess. Anyway, that's a little bit of what I've got. And then here, I'll show you my other little pile. Hang on, sorry. What is this? Let's see what that is. It's an interesting rock. It's a fun little pattern. Oh, I love rock hunting. Finding treasures. There's a lot of mussel shells here, which are confusing, just like everywhere else. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna keep any of these. But, oof. Yeah, these are those sugar agates, I think. Although this one definitely got me with the texture there. It's definitely very agate-y texture. That one was just kind of nice sphere. Not gonna keep it. This one, yeah, same. Not gonna keep it. Sorry, I'm not even filming. Okay, this one I just wanted to show you. So I think this is quartz, but when they're broken like that, you can see the crystal structure. It's just so, so pretty, especially with the light I've got right now. That might be something. What is that? Yeah, some good stuff. I'll keep looking. I don't know what this is exactly. I think it's jasper, but maybe jade? I really don't know, but it's just so pretty. I think I'm gonna keep this one. I don't know if the color, we're definitely in the golden hour right now. So I think it's kind of playing tricks on the color. But yeah, that's a really pretty green color. And that's the first one I found that's like this down here. So I think I'll keep that one. There's my broken tripod. I was trying to mount my phone onto it and I busted off that bit. So I'm definitely gonna try and fix that because I really, really like that one with the bendy legs. Yeah, that was a bit of a bummer, but that's okay. Maybe I'll find something thrifted. Here is a look at my first ill-fated repair attempt for the tripod. And then here is a look at the next attempt. I'm pretty sure this is the same piece. I've actually broken a number of these. Luckily, it's only the mount that usually breaks on these, and you can buy mounts separately and continue to use the base. When I was recording this voiceover, I couldn't remember for sure if I used this mount yet, so I tested it, and it does seem to be holding. Special shout out to Ronnie with Port Townsend Potential for helping me extend the life of this phone mount. Oh, I haven't filmed this yet either, actually. Let's do this really quick. So these are just a couple more. Again, probably not keeping them. This, I think, is jasper. Pretty color. I like the red in there. Again, probably not gonna keep that piece. I don't think I need that piece. I think a couple sugar agates and then a piece of glass. I'm finding a lot of glass this time. I haven't found anything but glass in terms of litter. That's kind of neat. Just, I think it's granite. What is this? Yeah, I've only found so far for, what is that? Oh, see, okay, so that might be jade. Yeah, I'm keeping that piece. I don't know what that is, but it's kind of translucent. You can kind of see in the light that there's some translucent fractures there. I'm keeping that piece for sure. All right, let's go find some more treasures. So as I was walking back down to the water, I saw this piece. It was not as wet as it is now. I wet it down to try and figure out what the heck it is. And I still don't know what it is, but what it reminds me of is that giant boulder that I found. I don't know which video it's gonna be, so I'll link it here. But I think this is like a much more manageable piece. It's still big, but I think this might be jade. That is my best guess. But it has the right kind of fracturing that I'm curious enough that I'm gonna haul it out of here and cut it and see what it looks like inside. I'm actually really excited to cut into this one. I'm excited to see what's in there. Y'all, look at how cool that is. That's all one rock. It looks like a pottery piece, doesn't it? Yes, please. I don't know what that is, but it sure is cool. Also, it's totally quiet here until I start my video, and then it is crazy loud every single time. I just wanted to show you the treasure that is my life right now. So this is my view. There's a stand-up paddleboarder out there. Just slowly making
their
way down the river, and then come on. Yeah, I'm speechless. There go the birds. So pretty. I wasn't going to videotape these, except this one, not this one, but I'm going to show you this one, wet. Look at the texture on that. Oh, so pretty. And this one, I think is just a jasper. I'm not sure what this is actually. Let's look. That's a lot less interesting than I thought it was. That one's going to go in the rock garden, I think. But okay, so this one that I picked up because I liked the shape of it, once it dried, let's see if I can get it to flash. Yeah, see those crystals? That's cool. I don't know what those are. But you can see. Isn't that cool? I feel like I could just do this for a while. I don't know what those crystals are, but it's neat. And then it's just so satisfying, like what a perfect shape. Yeah. Anyway, that one, it looks like bird poop, but I think it's like a really thin layer of chalcedony on it. I found one like that in the other river too. Totally different rivers. That's that one that I showed you that's like, looks like an egg or something almost. I just like the shape of it. I don't usually get them that round, obviously. This, I'm not sure. Oh, this is the one that I think might be jade, I think.
I also, for some reason, was convinced I could find jade in this location. I have no idea now if I thought that for some reason or if it was just wishful thinking, but I'm much less convinced now that this location has jade. Having said that, I do not know if that little piece is jade, and I'm not even sure where it is. If you made me guess, I'd guess a dark quartzite, since I've seen pretty much all colors from this location.
But anyway, oh, and then I wanted to show you all the glass. So that's all the glass I picked up during that hunt. All those these treasures, and then these are treasures just because they're not out there anymore, cutting up people's feet and stuff. And yeah, that's the haul from that one. Sorry, I'm having a broken tripod is throwing me off.
For helping me extend the license, blah, blah.
And so I did find one thing already. Oh, there's a wake from a boat or something.
Boy, I should not use the word phenomenon. Phenomenon.
Oh, boy, I'm not doing well today.
This one, or 5 shorts, Friday through Tuesday. Oh, God. If you want to be a gem, hit like on the video. Ignore that. Since I'm having a tough time here. I treasure rock hunts like this, repairing broken items, and learning more about all manner of topics, almost as much as I treasure you. If you want to be a gem, hit like on the video, share this with someone who you think might enjoy it, and consider subscribing to Tara's Treasures if you haven't already. Tell me in the comments below, which rock was your favorite?